Hello, my friends. My name is Nika Hedas, and in this video, I will tell you about the basics of light and shadows in the drawing. This playlist is suitable for beginners or amateurs. To begin with, I will tell you why we need chiaroscuro. So, we need chiaroscuro to give a sense of the three-dimensional image of the picture. In other words, what makes a drawing voluminous? As an example, I want to show you how to draw an egg. Draw an oval as the egg has an oval shape. First of all, we paint over the egg and we see that the light falls from the upper right corner. I noted for myself where a shadow will be. Gradually shade the egg, carefully removing the shading both right up and left down. Stay away from pressing the pencil. Take a soft brush as it helps us to shade the shadow. Now we draw a drop shadow. Thus, we will have the feeling that the egg is standing on some kind of surface. This is how our oval gradually turns into a drawing. Do not forget to leave reflected light. Reflected light in a drawing is still light that is coming from a source and being reflected off an object or surface to illuminate another area, surface, or object with the light reflected. Using the eraser, we emphasize the highlight. I hope you enjoyed my mini lesson. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and write your wishes in the comments. If you want to watch more videos in the future, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.